Ashlyn Buchholz remembers every detail of her injury.
I was playing defense, and then I was trying to change direction, and it planted and didn't go the right way with me. And I remember because the play kept going on, the refs didn't stop what was happening, so I was yelling at people to stop it because I knew it was a bad injury.
The Bismarck Century graduate tore the ACL and meniscus in her right knee during the middle of her junior year basketball season. The injury was tough to take.
I did feel the pop, and then I was laying there for a while, and then my parents came down and coaches and stuff, and I remember saying I'm out for the rest of the season.
Buchholz would have reconstructive surgery on her knee. ACL injuries take a minimum of 9 months to recover from, often longer. She would miss her entire junior track season and the start of basketball in her senior year as well.
I was really worried that this was going to be my last season, getting to play would be my junior year, so that was definitely hard.
Her surgery was done by Dr. Anthony Cash, an orthopedic surgeon at Sanford Health in Bismarck. Dr. Cash works on injured athletes all the time, but he says it never gets easier to tell them how long they'll be out of action.
In general, I'd say ACL tears are quite devastating for the patients. That's really hard for a lot of these kids, especially in high school and college age. And so, yeah, it really shuts them down for a year or so, and I think that it takes a toll on them both mentally and physically.
Dr. Cash reconstructed Buchholz's ACL using part of her quadriceps tendon. Then he stayed in contact with Sanford Sports during her rehab to make sure she was on the right track. With any knee surgery patient, though, Dr. Cash feels that his own personal health history makes him a better, more empathetic doctor.
When I was in college, I injured my knee, and I had an orthopedic surgeon that kind of got me in right away, got me taken care of, and got me back to football at the time. And after that, I kind of just knew that that's exactly what I wanted to do long term.
He says being able to relate helps the patients trust him even more, too.
I think it makes it easier to talk to somebody and relate to them about it. And like I said, I deal with a majority of my athletes, my patients are athletes that are under the age of about 25, and so it really does affect them quite a bit. And so I think it's always good to have gone through it yourself and be able to talk to somebody in that way.
Buchholz gives Dr. Cash rave reviews as well, including some personal referrals.
I've known other people that play basketball that have torn their ACLs, and they asked me who I went through, and I have recommended him. I think 2 people have asked me, I've recommended him because he did such a great job.
1 year after her injury, Ashlyn Buchholz was back on the court. Her team advanced to the state title game. Then in the spring, she qualified for state track as well. It was a long, difficult recovery, but with hard work and some help from Dr. Cash, Ashlyn Buchholz finished her senior year at full strength. In Bismarck, Jason Anschutz, Sanford Health News.